Martha Stewart apparel here at TSE, very first time, and I've got to share my Get the Look on what's coming up. There it is on your screen. I have fallen in love with this gorgeous denim jacket. Now, I've actually selected to wear it in a size large. Typically, I'd probably wear a size small, but I like almost creating this oversized look, so you can certainly do that. I paired it with this striped shirt, so comfortable, premium cotton, and then these gorgeous jeans. And if you've ever shied away from denim, I invite you to try these denims because they're not stiff, they're not hard, and they actually have a great feeling around the knee area, especially if you're gonna get down in the garden, do some gardening. Speaking of some gardening, I've got my girlfriend and fashion expert Cassidy Goodfellow joining us in the garden with her look. So let's share your Get the Look, Cass.
Yes, so if you are, I mean, I'm sure you're familiar with Martha Stewart. What a collection she has done for us. There is nobody better who's gonna create a chic gardening collection, really with everything you need. So we have the jacket, we then have that striped tee that we had seen, and then we have our overalls, which are perfect for gardening. So if you like this, everything from Martha's collection goes together, you'll see, but it's very cute, like you said, really, really stretchy, and I find really fits true to size as well.
They do. They